Hi people, I'm Zizzdmm. Flying high again. Anybody know this bird? Hello people. If anyone can identify this bird, please comment, subscribe, and let me know. I made a video of this bird in a tree. I had zoomed it in with my camcorder. I don't know what it is. I made this video for the purpose of identifying this bird. Thank you very much. Once again, if anyone can identify this bird, please comment and subscribe and let me know what type of bird it is. Thank you people. Anybody know this bird? Written produced by Zizzdmm. Enjoy wildlife.